Hello guys. Okay. Can be a little bit louder on the mic? Okay, hello guys. I'm Vincent, the founder and CEO of the Baer Chen. Almost like it's very popular in mainland China right now, but we will be launched globally in this year, according to our roadmap. I'll just be a little bit simple. Let's introduce about why I create this project for that's useful. I'm a game player back in China. There's so many, recently, meanwhile, all the traditional games have so many problems to be fixed, which we can come back and use blockchain technology to fix so many problems in the traditional game. Let's say they have the cheating, speed allocation, and also have low speed, huge cost. If you come back, there's no such only one platform which only compete for the game area. That's the reason me and my partner to create this project, only this platform used for the game, and only a game is plus blockchain games, not for the traditional games. It will be successful for so many companies. We can tokenize and be transforming from a traditional game to the blockchain game. We have cooperate with the Tencent and the Wang Yi as well back in China. Let's say there's so many traditional games. Oh, sorry. Better? Okay. This is so many type which of the traditional game right now, especially in the PC and the different type. But it's a different game, require a different speed and also different internet supporting. Have most let's say we organize at the fourth tier of the so many games. Like the first tier, like a FPS game and the shooting game, even the mobile game, they need the most high speed frequency for the, let's say for the game supporting and the data transaction. The second tier, let's say some action game and some real-time strategy game. And also the third tier is some adventure game, some puzzle game. And the fourth one gonna be the simulation game. In the meanwhile, the blockchain game only can, let's say, combine in the fourth tier and only a few in the third tier. No single one blockchain game can be combined the game which in the first tier and the second tier because there has low speed for that way and slow. Such a platform can supporting all the transaction, all the database, even the TPF can supporting all the game which from the first tier and the second tier. That's what we do. We want to build a platform which can combine all the type of the games, even some huge games, stream 1,000 times for the PC. We can transform it successfully to sustain for the developer, can tokenize the traditional game to the blockchain games. That's what we do. We only focus on the blockchain and the games. This is some overall architecture, what we do to how can we sustain for the TPF, at least achieve 1 million TPF security. I want to specifically introduce some core service layer, what we do in the middle. Because time is short, I'll just simple distraction quickly. This is some strength technology which we use in our platform. The safe depots is what we use for the new depots which come the block more faster than even than EOS. And also we have a DCC, means the decentralized cluster, and RDSN, that's a dual core driver, which I can each achieve above the median TPF, which we can choose. And also we have a two-chain cooperation, the cross-chain technology, which we can, some data in the games, we not put it on the chain, but also all the assets from the game, we put it on the chain, be tokenized. You can compare the data to protect all the players' rights. The cream system is for the consistent system technology, which all the nodes can make the profit from the system. It's the ecological framework. It's supposed to be on my CTO's. He's gonna introduce me later. And this is some physical layer, void layer, and a logic layer between all our platform, how the functional working for the games. And also we have coin. We launched the 0.57 for the median BRC coin. Our coin price in the last year was 10 times higher for launched on the exchange back in 20 exchange. 20 exchanges in China and some in Korea as well. I want to especially introduce about our main network will be launched next month from April. We are doing the first alpha testing from April, but the testing let's say gonna extend for like around 3 months. So our main network, the public phone, the platform will be officially launched at August. So globally, this is some what we can achieve to the platform. So we can enrich all the types of the games, and also our online community is almost achieved to the 300. It's okay, thank you. Also, we have a huge community, almost close to the 1 million people. What we use for the we call the Baer. It's like we can conclude in our public chain will combine all the ERC from the 2.0 to the ERC 7.0. All the tokens will be reflection in our platform, and all the games, also the stacking will be more huge than the other platform one, but we only use for the games, nothing else. That's why all the dApps, anything else, we're only for the blockchain game, not for the dApps. That's why we're unique. We only focus on the game and the blockchain game area. This is what we're gonna be achieved in our platform. It's a media ecology project, at least for all the games. We'll test the network launch. For all the developers, we will open the SDK in the next month for all the developers for the games. And also the global conference will be hiking in this whole year. Will be launching globally in Europe and also in America as well. This is the way you can contact us. You can get to know more details. Recently, all the games will be charged will be more than 1.5 million Ether already for our 10 games. We're huge back in China, mainland. That's why we are ready to extend from globally. That's the way you can contact us if you guys were interested in what you get BOT. Thank you.